There are important rules in each one of the industrial plants, which are as follows. Rule number 1. Not carrying forbidden objects. It is forbidden to carry all sorts of cold and warm weapons, alcoholic drinks, medicine, and narcotics into the company. Mobile phones, tablets, laptops, cameras, tools, machineries, sensitive devices, lighters, matches and other flammable objects, cigarettes and similar tobacco products are also forbidden. Taking suitable personal protection equipment. Using helmets, safety shoes and goggles as minimum personal protection equipment is mandatory inside all industrial premises. In all dangerous areas and locations or during repair operations, you must use the necessary PPE suitable for the related work environment. Pay attention to warning and safety signs across the site. You are only permitted to stay in areas allowed by the host. Do not change your position without the host's consent. Aid and rescue operation would be awfully difficult if your location is unknown. In order to enter specified areas and begin any service or maintenance activity, you must first obtain all the necessary permits. You must assemble at the safe muster points after hearing alarms and warning sirens or sighting flash beacons. Always use specified locations for passage. Hold your hands to the handrail while passing through staircases and narrow corridors. Never block the passage. Report immediately any sorts of near-miss incidents, dangerous activities, or acts of sabotage. In case you see an incident, immediately inform the related authorities. If you see a leakage or wildfire, call the fire department at once. Your host or the security will give you that number upon your entry. Do not attempt to put out the fire if you do not have adequate PPE or fire extinguishing equipment, or if you haven't received proper training in this regard. In that case, immediately attempt to evacuate that area towards a safe muster point, and in closed indoor spaces, try to shut the doors behind you. Different parts of the site and the administrative department are usually equipped with fire extinguishers. Please do not block access to these equipment. Do not stop or pass under suspended loads. Always pass or stand in safe distance from heavy machinery. Operators of such machinery have very limited sight, therefore sudden movements of machineries may cause serious injury for persons standing or passing by closely. Pay attention to traffic signs at site. The speed limit is 25 km per hour at industrial zones or operational units, and you must follow all the traffic signs in those areas. Make sure you fasten your seatbelt after getting into vehicles. Pay attention to Fire Diamond and MSDS for chemicals. Water showers and eye wash stations are installed in specific areas of the industrial zone so that you could immediately wash your body and your eyes in case of contamination. Take dangers of canals, trenches, and pits seriously. Do not put your life at risk when working at height. Falling from heights is one of the accidents which leads to death in the industry. In general, even falling from a 2-meter height could cause serious injury or even death. If you do not adhere to any of these rules, you will not be allowed to attend or work at any of the units at the gas company. Remember that your safety and the safety of those around you depends on your obedience to safety laws and regulations.